guys, this is Rachel from Cypress Textiles, and today we're going to be making the Supernova motif from the 2022 Vibrant Vintage Crochet Along. So I'm using Shape Just River Washed in a 3mm hook, and I'm going to go ahead and get started with a slip knot and chain 3. Slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook to make your ring, and you can also do a magic ring if you prefer. And in the center, we're going to start with a beginning double crochet. So just go straight into a single crochet and then chain 1 and chain 1 for your corner. And then we'll do a repeat of chain 1 and 2 double crochet and do that a total of 5 times. Okay, so I have 5 repeats of chain 1 and 2 double crochet right now. And so I'm ready to finish up my round. You're gonna need 1 more chain and then 1 more double crochet in the middle. And that will complete the round. And then you just need to join with a slip stitch in the beginning double crochet. And then round 1 is complete. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and start with round 2. So go straight into this first chain space with single crochet, chain 5, and single crochet again. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then single crochet again in the same chain space. Chain 3, and single crochet in the next chain space, and you're actually just gonna make this same single crochet, chain 5, single crochet again in the next chain space, and that is going to be your repeat around. All right, and chain 3, and so forth. Okay, so my round is almost complete, and you can see that I have my chain 5 spaces sticking out here, and the last thing I have on my hook is a chain 3, and I'm ready to slip stitch into this first single crochet. So I'll do that to finish the round. And to start the next round, you'll slip stitch into the first 2 chains, and you're gonna work into the chain itself, not the chain space. And make sure your slip stitches are nice and loose so that they can travel along that chain instead of making it bunch up if it was too tight. Okay, so 2 chains there, slip stitch, and then make a single crochet at the top of that chain 5 space. All right, now we're ready to start the next round. So chain 3, make a popcorn into this chain 3 space. So we're gonna make 4 double crochet. And 4, and then release the loop from the hook. Insert the hook front to back through the first double crochet, grab the loop and pull it through to the front to close the popcorn. Chain 3 and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. All right, and that's gonna be how we're gonna work around. We're gonna start into the repeat again with a chain 3 and then repeat 5 more times until we're back to the beginning. Okay, you can see the round is nearly complete. I just need to join. So there are 6 popcorns total, and we have 3 chains on the hook here, and we're just going to slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. And now we're going to make 4 single crochet in the first chain space here. All right, and jump straight over this popcorn by doing a 4 chains. And then just go ahead and work 4 double crochet in the next chain space as well. Okay, and then work 1 single in the center stitch. And then just repeat that 5 more times till you're back to the beginning. So 4 double crochet, single crochet, and then chain 4, 4 single crochet, I'm going to slide these stitches down, there we go, and 1 in this center stitch. 1 single crochet. All right, so just keep working that way till you finish. Okay, the round is almost complete. We just need to make 1 more single crochet into this single and then join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet of the round. All right, now that round is complete. So in front of us here, we have 3 single crochet, and you're just going to slip stitch in each of those 3. Again, make sure your slip stitches are not too tight because you're traveling with them. So there's that, and then slip stitch into 2 chains of this chain space here. All right, and now you're at the place where you need to be to start your next round. So single crochet at the top of this chain 4 space, and then you're going to make chain 3 and make 5 double crochet. So you're going to skip these first 4 single crochet here and make 5 double crochet into this middle single. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so you've got your single crochet, chain 3, skip these 4 singles and 5 double crochet in the next single. Now chain 3 and single crochet in the chain 4 space. Okay, that'll be your repeat, just chain 3 again, 5 double crochet in the center stitch, and so on until you're back to the beginning. All right, here's that round finished up except for the joining. So you can see I've got 6 groups of these 5 double crochet and then single crochet in all of these chain spaces here. And so I've got 3 chains here. I'm ready to slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. And we have 2 more rounds to go. So we're gonna work into the same stitch we just worked into with the slip stitch. So just go ahead and make a beginning double crochet here. So go straight in for a single crochet and then chain 1, and then make 4 more double crochet in that same stitch. All right, so you've got 5 double crochet total, including the beginning one, and now chain 3, and now we're going to make like a special popcorn. So just make 1 double crochet in each of these next 5 stitches. Okay, so you've got 5 double crochet in a row here, then release your loop, insert into the front to back into the first of those 5 double crochet, and grab your loop and pull it through. So now you have kind of this elongated popcorn here, and chain 3. Okay, and now you're gonna get to this single crochet right here and do 5 double crochet in it. And the third of the 5 double crochet is where all of your corners are gonna end up. So this is the second to last round. So our next round is gonna have your 3 single crochet right in this middle stitch here. So now just continue with your repeat, chain 3, and make your special popcorn over the next 5 stitches. Just make 1 DC in each stitch. All right, and close the popcorn and chain 3 to start your repeat over. Okay, so here's how it looks so far, and I'll show you how it looks when it's finished. Okay, here is that round nearly complete. So you can kind of see where this is going with these 6 special popcorns here. And I've got 3 chains in the hook, so we're gonna slip stitch into this beginning double crochet. And now we're just gonna make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 3 in the next stitch for the corner. So 3 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next 2 doubles. And now we're at our chain space, and we're gonna make 3 single crochet in that chain space, and then 1 single crochet in the middle of this special popcorn. So what I like to do is just kind of find the center there and then just make my single crochet right into it. And this chain space 3 single crochet again. Okay, now 2 singles right here, 1 and 2, and then 3 for the corner again. And that's going to be our repeat as we make our way around the motif, so you can see how the side looks. Okay, and this is how it looks when it's finished. So this is a super cute motif. It's the Supernova motif from the 2022 VVCAL, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.